I'm giving a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the nicest one, 5G smartphone, 512 gigabytes, decked out, $1,400 phone almost. Giving it away. You got to subscribe to the channel. Go to Twitter. Follow at cryptobitcoinchris. If you go down to the description of this video, there's a TikTok link. You got to follow me on TikTok and then leave a comment in the comment section along with a like. Subscribe to YouTube, like YouTube, comment on YouTube. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jump in right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin pulling back like we talked about. This is a Bitcoin weekly chart. Previous resistance, supports right here, and Bitcoin's lost this resistance level that was key. Last chance for the bulls is for 37,700 to hold. Otherwise, 35,400, potentially 31,800 is in the cards. You've got downside momentum. However, we're going to zoom in, look at some bounce ideas on the shorter term time frame. So the Bitcoin CME futures 1 hour chart. I called this bearish retest idea on Twitter and in the group where I said, hey, be careful with your altcoins right here. If you get this bearish retest, this is the plan. And it states right here, bearish retest, go short. If it breaks out, go long. Bearish retest, go short. And we did. Banging this thing down considerably. And these short coins, these 3x short leverage short coins we've been trading on Kucoin have been epic. We're trading the market both ways. The game has changed completely. I've got people joining the trading group back. They were in the trading group in the past. We weren't trading a lot of shorts. Now we're trading the market both ways. And it's constant ability to win at these trades because you're not at the mercy of bullish moves to the upside. All of a sudden you're trading this downside and you're making a ton of money. Look, right here I said scanning, and this was just this descending triangle, 64% chance it breaks to the downside, and it did. Now, if it comes back up here and retest, look for bearish retest and more and a further move to the downside, right around 37,000. FOMC meetings coming. They're going to make a big announcement about the rates, and again, if something really hawkish comes out and they raise the rates, more than 50 basis points, I mean, you see this market tank, right? If it's dovish and they don't raise the rates very much, then, I mean, you're going to see some volatility over the next 24 hours of Bitcoin, period. So be ready. If you're a holder, I mean, hopefully you know better not to hold these downtrends because it's a losing scenario. Like, I do never hold downtrends, but with these short trades have been epic. If you zoom in to the 5-minute chart, and we talked about this bearish retest idea, you got the exact bearish retest that we were looking for, and the price action just dive bombed. Now, bounce ideas, however, does it carry over or does it just essentially bounce and then roll over to the downside? So I'm watching this. If you see a bearish retest, more downside. I've got some amazing shoutouts to give in my trading group. This person, he said, hey man, I want to thank you for adapting your strategy to use these shorts. I've been killing it. I've been in your group for 3 years. I'm still watching your learning videos, your trading. And his whole family's in the group. And he said, I said, how much is your family up since you guys joined the group? He said, $400,000. I quit counting. He doesn't work. His dad swing trades, and he just essentially does a lot of these midterm holds. But again, $300,000 to $400,000 since the whole family joined the group. This person, shout out to Ishwar Varma. Everybody loves money, but I'm getting my dream come true because of Chris. This guy is killing it. This person, I say everybody, you got to have a 4-year plan to quit your job. You do not, there is no way you should be working in 4 years, period. Because, hey, listen, I'm going to get this done in about 2, I'm on pace to quit working in 2 years. You've got to learn how this market works. If you don't, you cannot win, period. Being able to trade the market both ways changes the game completely. If you sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount, 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Here we had this gala short up 105%. Now I posted again today, up 11% in a couple hours. Again, major move coming out of Bitcoin. We're going to potentially wait for the news to be announced, and we may not nail the absolute bottom or top, but we're ready and we have a plan in place. The money is made in the middle in crypto. On the first, I said caution, make sure stops are in place. Volatility for Bitcoin is coming. The second, caution, make sure your stop losses are in place. And I said, plan A or plan B. We're not trying to predict. The bearish retest signals shorts. If you get a bearish retest, go short. And we did. And we killed it. The SPX has been in a long-term downtrend. This is the S&P 500. We use this to help us trade Bitcoin. Now, what's happened here is you had a pretty good bounce, and it hasn't broke this. This is previous supports, and now it's resistance. Okay, so this news is going to come out. If it gets rejected, I mean, there's definitely a move for considerable downside, right? If it gets regained, then this comes a bear trap, and you can open longs based on this idea. So decision time for Bitcoin right here, watching the SPX. You've got to chart the SPX on Tradingview. If you're not charting these coins, you won't win. This is just like reading a map. You guys can do this. Get Tradingview. Start charting these coins, just what you see, what you're watching, just recreate my charts and you will start winning. And listen, you gotta chart these coins. Chart these coins, set alerts. I've got a proven system that people are taking advantage of. I mean, unbelievable to see the progress. Now, after hours trading, we've seen some green in post-market trading. So, bounce ideas for the morning, but we want to see where this opens and then count down to the FOMC. They're going to announce the rate hike tomorrow. Here, a lot of people are looking for, basically the target is between 25 or 50 basis points, right? 0.25 or 0.5%. But there's a lot of people think you might get something crazy, 75 basis points or 100 basis points. If you get that, market pulls back because this is way higher than what the market estimates. If you get somewhere in this range, you could see, definitely if you got 25 basis points, you could see a nice pump out of Bitcoin. 50 is probably what the market expects. So are you going to be in this range? Or if you're not, if you're over, then the market's going to tank, and it's that easy. Be ready for this announcement tomorrow, going to move the market. Watch. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.